channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a single crochet with a straight edges. Okay, so to start with, we're going to start with a slip knot, and now we're going to chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So this is the chain. Okay, so explaining this is when you're chaining, you need to make sure that your yarn here is not too loose, because when it's too loose and your stitches is loose. Okay, so this is one tip. Okay, so you just leave it just like that, and just the size of your hook that you're using. Okay, and then pull through and yarn over. Okay, so when you're yarning over, and then you twist, and then you twist it down like that, so it's easy for you to pull and it's easy to come out. So that is the tips on how to make your chain the same length. Okay, so you continue as long as you wanted your project. So once you have your chains, and then the rules of single crochet is you skip one chain. So this chain here, it doesn't count as chain. So from here is you skip this and you go to the second one. So that is the rules of single crochet. Okay, so normally you're going to go inside this chain here. Okay, so that is single crochet as well. Okay, so you can do this way until to the end. However, this here, it doesn't give you a nice straight edge. So the edging is, I think, is okay. However, though, if you want a flat edge, a beautiful flat edge, okay, I recommend you go to the back. Okay, so you can see this bump here. Okay, I'd like to use that, and I'm going to show you. So this first here is skip, and then we go to the next one and insert into the back loop and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 into the next single crochet, single crochet, and single crochet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I meant of clean straight edge. As you can see there, compared to the last one, this one is flat. Okay, so it's the same as this one here. This one will be just beautiful when you finish your project. Okay, so you don't have to go and do the edging for single crochet or something like that. Just like that is perfect. So I'd like to use this, especially if I don't want to do the edging. Okay, so and then you just have to continue single crochet in each stitch, using the back loop. So it is easy to check as well. Okay, so it is easy just in case that you went in the wrong stitch, because it won't be the same as the looks of your finished project is not the same as this. Okay, so when that happened, and then you can go back, you can undo it and do this the single crochet back loop just in case. Okay, so this is how our single crochet looks like. As you can see there, that is very pretty. So this is our edge, the bottom part, and that is straight. Okay, so we just finished our last stitch, and then now to turn, okay, you can turn and do a single crochet like that, okay, or you can do a chain one as well. Okay, so this one, this way is, I'm going to show you the no chain one at the end. So you just turn. So let's go that again. So this is the last stitch, and you just turn your work, and this first stitch here, this one here, you just go and pull 2 yarn, as you can see there, the V stitch, and yarn over, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and then the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we are going to continue this. So there is another way of doing this as well, by chaining one and then turning. I'm going to show you that in my next video. So this one is without chain, we just turn, and you're going to continue doing that. So working your single crochet is the same. You have to take these two loops and the single crochet. So don't get confused, as we are working a single crochet. Okay, now we are into the last stitch, and we're going to insert that and complete our row 2. So this is our row 2. Okay, so one more tips, okay, so you don't get lost, is you have to count your stitches. Okay, so you have to count your stitches, how many stitches you started. So with a single crochet is, for example, you chain 11, and then your single crochet will be 10. Okay, so you will be counting and you will be working 10 stitches every row. Okay, so let's count this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So with this 15 single crochet, I chain 16 for this, because with our turning chain, so we always have that +1. Okay, so you have to chain, for example, you want 20. Okay, for your single crochet, you have to chain 21, and then you will end up with 20 single crochet. Okay, so after this, row 3 is we're going to turn our work, and into this first stitch here, we're going to insert and complete our single crochet, and single crochet in each and every chain across, just like that, and you will have your straight edge. Just make sure that you count every row after you finish. Make sure that you count that as well. And this is my last stitch. Okay, so just make sure that you get these 2 as well, and finish your row. And now, as you can see, okay, so this is flat, and this is flat as well. Okay, so if we keep continuing in a bigger piece, and you will see, so always when you turn this first stitch here, you have to take that and complete your single crochet, and do your single crochet until to the last, and make sure that you count every row. At the end of your row, come back and count. Okay, especially if you're a beginner, I can tell that because I've done that as well. Okay, so when I started my crochet journey, when I was learning, I did a lot of mistake as well. Okay, and yeah, I suppose everyone, and this is your last stitch. Just make sure that you got that loops over there. And so as you can see here, we have a straight flat edge, and same as this side as well. Okay, so this is a secret to have this flat edging. Okay, and you just have to continue doing that. Okay, the very important tips that I can give you if you're starting to crochet is you have to count your stitches, and you can use stitch marker as well. Okay, so you don't get confused with your stitches, because with this one it is very confusing, especially if you're just learning. Okay, so hopefully guys, that helps you learn. The tips that I'm giving you is you can use it on your crochet journey. Okay, so as you can see, we have a flat edge, and here as well we have a straight edge. And if you're just going to continue this, you will get a flat and straight edge. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you use, if you don't want to use this, how to use a chain 1 as your turning chain in every row. So this is options. So this is optional. So which better, which option or way you want to use, it's totally up to you. So some people, they use chain 1, and as you can see, guys, that is very pretty. Okay, so this is how you have that straight without chaining. Just turn and into the first stitch. Just make sure that you count your stitching. So when you know how to navigate your stitches, it is very easy and you don't have to count. As I'm doing here, I don't count, but just know the stitches that you're going through, okay, and you will be okay. If you have any questions, guys, on like questions, anything, starting your crochet journey, okay, leave your comment below, and I will do my best to answer them. So as you can see here, this is our straight edge. Even going to put that down, as you can see here and here, that is straight. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you do, please smash that like button, and if you want to subscribe to my channel to join the family, yes, you are very welcome. And yeah, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.